Hey everyone, today we're checking out a new construction community that is arguably one of the best locations in Central Florida. This just offers some beautiful built homes by a prestigious builder well known in the area. People are gravitating to the Ovation Village in Horizons West every single day from all over the world and locals. It's due to its multi-generational appeal, the lifestyle here, the beautiful weather, and there's so much more. Let's go take a look at Northlake at Ovation. The location is in the West Orange County, Horizons West, which is broken up into the 5 villages, and we are at the last village called Ovation that covers 2,129 acres. Ovation residents have easy access to Walt Disney World and the dining and retail over at the Flamingo Crossings, which is owned by Disney. That's located right on Western Way Road. Northlake at Ovation is featuring both townhomes, single-family homes, and 3 different home collections. So you're including the Townhome series, the traditional series, and the classical series. The Townhome series will include 3 home plans starting in the low 400s, all with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, square feet ranging from 1,577 to 1,675. There's going to be 2-car garages in the townhomes and your very own private courtyard. Right now, I'm going to show you their end unit model with a large kitchen that opens up to the great room, 2nd floor master suite, and some stunning finishes. This is the Walden 2 Townhome Model Tour. The Classical Series is their bungalow option for homes with a rear-load 2-car garage, 5 unique floor plans, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 baths, and square footage ranging from 1,791 square feet to 2,134 square feet. So I want you to see the Chapin Bungalow Model Tour. The Traditional Series has 7 plans with pricing starting in the high 500s, 3 to 7 bedroom options, 2 to 4.5 baths. Square footage is ranging just a little over 2,000 square feet up to 3,611 square feet. You have 2-car garages and your private covered lanai. We're going to take a look at the Plant 2 model tour right now. Homeowners get to enjoy this great clubhouse. You're able to host birthday parties, events here. You also have the resort-style swimming pool behind me. There's playgrounds, dog parks, plenty of green spaces in this community. There's no CDD. The HOA is only $84 a month, and the townhomes are $266 a month. A unique feature of this community is it's tucked away from Avalon Road, which is the main connecting road through Horizons West. So it's very quiet back here, and you also have breathtaking views of Lake Star to enjoy. The builder is offering some great incentives right now with interest rates as low as 3.99%. So if you're interested in this community, let us know so we can get you the best deal. I want to thank you all for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tour of this beautiful community, Northlake at Ovation, located right here in Winter Garden, Florida. And we'd like for you to put any comments below. Let us know what you think and subscribe to us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.